Today's topic is Republic. We have studied first secularism, democratic rule. Yes. Now Republic. What is Republic? Republic means that government are obtaining power directly or indirectly is known as Republic. Okay. Again, we have framed the rules and we have started obtaining the powers directly or indirectly. Got it, beta? Got it? Girls.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Either we are either of any caste, we are either of any class, either any religion we are following, either we are of any gender. Yes, but we have to obtain all are equal for the government. Okay, so for all the people, we have to follow same rules, same regulations, same powers, directly or indirectly. What it that means republic. Why it is republic? Because our India is a democratic. We are having which type of government? Democratic. Democratic means we are free to follow any religion, we are free to follow any caste. Yes. So either we speak any of the language, okay. So directly or indirectly we can follow any powers. Got it? What is the meaning of republic? Got it? Girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will be reading? Who will be reading?
Can I, ma'am?
Ma'am, can I?
One
Ma'am,
by
can I?
one. Yes. Start beta.
Ma'am, can I?
हाँ बेटा.
Republic. Republic means a government that obtains power from people directly or indirectly. We have adopted a democratic republic system of government, which means that powers are not limited in hands of a few privileged privileged people. Rather, it is accessible to all the citizens, irrespective of their caste, class, religion, or gender.
Okay, got it. So clear. What is republic? Clear. What is republic beta? Girls, what is republic? Clear beta? I'm asking you something. You have to answer it beta. Okay. Now, this is the chart of central government. This is the chart of central government. Are you getting it, girls? Girls. Girls. Girls, are you listening? Now, so in central government, the head is who is the head? That is president. Where president is handling three governments. Three organs of government are there: legislature, executive, and judiciary. Got it, girls? Girls, girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the first function of the government is legislature. Legislature means what? Its function is to frame the law. Its function is to frame the law. Executive It implements the law. Executive, what is the function of executive? It implements the law. And judiciary, those who are violating the law will be punished by judiciary. Got it, beta? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it no. Now legislator is in legislature we are having parliament. Parliament means upper house is Rajya Sabha and lower house is Lok Sabha. Got it? Got it? Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha that is lower house and Rajya Sabha that is upper house. So when the all the bills are going to pass by the all the bills will be passed by Lok Sabha to Rajya Sabha. Then in Rajya Sabha, who is there? President is there. President will sign it, and then executive will pass the law. Got it? Got it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Then in executive, who is there? Prime Minister is there. Who is there? Prime Minister. And who other whose members are there? Council of Ministers are there. Others whose ministers are there? Council of Ministers. So those who are implementing the laws which is implemented first will go to Prime Minister, then Prime Minister will send to Lok Sabha, and then it will be passed to Rajya Sabha and it will be signed out. If President signs it, either he has rejected, then that will not be passed. Got it, beta?
Sir.
Got it? Next, judiciary. Those who are violating the laws. Those who are violating the laws will be punished by whom? Judiciary. So in judiciary at central level we are having Supreme Court. Okay. So central government, what the central government is deciding, all the states have to follow the rules. Got it, beta? Now we take an example of Corona. Okay. So sometimes how many days lockdown will be there, which system will be starting, who has given that all the things? Central government. Yes, we have to follow all the laws of central government. No, got it? Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, chalo, who will read this chart?
Can I read?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I read?
I have tell one beta. Start.
Central government. President, legislature, executive, judiciary.
So
Parliament,
president has to handle three of the government. That is legislature, executive, and judiciary. That way you speak with us.
okay, pres-
Start. Nishba, start reading. Start. On Fatima ready. On
Yes,
Fatima
ma'am.
read. Read beta chart.
Central government, legislature, parliament, Lok Sabha,
Rajya Sabha. President, Executive, Prime Minister, Council of Ministers, Council of Ministers, Judiciary and Supreme Court.
Got it? So in central government, who is the head? President. Then president, three organs: legislature, executive, and judiciary. Legislature, we are having parliament, that is both house. Lower house is Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha is upper house, and it frames the law. Then executive, like executive will implement the law by prime minister and council of minister. And judiciary, judiciary means those who are violating the law will be punished by judiciary, that is Supreme Court. Got it? Now state government,
Yes.
as same as central government at state level, who will be the head? Same as president, governor will be the head. Okay, so over here also three parts: legislature, executive, and judiciary. Legislature we tell it Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. Upper house is Vidhan Parishad and lower house is Vidhan Sabha. Got it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is
Yes,
executive, that
ma'am.
is chief minister and council of minister, who will be handling local administration, that is at city level, district level we will be having municipal corporation and municipal boards, and village level we will be having panchayat. Yes. Now those who are violating the law, firstly at state level, suppose if it is taluka level, then they will go to subordinate court. Okay, then at district level they will be go to district court, but district is not giving the answer directly, they will go to the high court. What it better?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who will be reading this?
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
State government, governor, legislative, executive, chief minister, and council of ministers, and judiciary high court. So, in legislative, state government, legislative assembly, Vidhan Sabha, Vidhan Parish,
Vidhan Sabha is the lower house. Like as central government, Lok Sabha is lower house. Same way Vidhan Sabha is also lower house.
and governor, executive, chief minister, and council of ministers, local administration, then panchayat,
Panchayat, that
and
is at village level. Panchayat is at village level. Got it better?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
municipal corporation and municipal boards. Now, judiciary, high court,
Municipal
district
corporation, that
court.
is at district. Municipal corporation is at municipal level, and taluka level there will be municipal boards. Got it better?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
judiciary, high court, district court, and subordinate court.
Subordinate courts at taluka level, district courts at district level. Bhavnagar we are having district court. Yes.
Yes.
So if they are not passing the laws, means they are not filing the case directly, they can wait to where they will go. They will go to high court, which is at the state level, which is the upper court. Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So clear, beta.
Yes,
So
Yes,
ma'am.
if you want to take screenshot, you can take it. Today in homework, you have to write this two times.
Ma'am, taken.
All the best.
ma'am, taken.
All the best.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, should now take state government.
Taken.
All the best, beta.
Taken.
Now, should I move further, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Clear
ma'am.
this? All these things are clear?
Yes.
Okay. So now next is federal state. Next sentence feature. So see, these are the I have told you What are the functions over here? There is one paragraph. It is one function of government. What it is there? Executive, legislative, and judiciaries are the organs of the government. I have told legislature will make the law, executive will help and implement the law, judiciary makes people follow the law and does the work of providing justice. Means those who are violating, they will be punished by them. Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will read this paragraph.
Ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am, can I?
Miss Ba.
Right. Miss
Owen
Bala.
Fatima.
Oh, one Fatima, you are right just now. Now Miss Bala. Okay, beta?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Legislature, executive, and judiciary are the organs of government. Legislature makes laws. Executive, with the help of civil service officers, implements the laws, and judiciaries makes people follow the law and does the work of providing justice.
Okay. So these also you want to take to screenshot, you can take it. This also you have to write in homework.
Ma'am, taken.
All the girls.
Yes.
Now next is federal. Now federal state means what? India is a federal state means all the works are we have divided it. We have divided all the works better. Yes. So
Yes.
if we tell it of Lok Sabha, that work is also divided. Why it is divided? Because uh, one people can't do all the works. We take it about school only. We take an example. In school, we talk it that in school, whose mic is on you? Now, at a time, you are only one student. Means in class you are 50 students. All the teachers come and can teach you all the subjects at a time.
No.
No one. Yes. So we are having the lectures. Yes. One lecture is of maths, one lecture is of science. That way we are having. Yes.
Yes.
Now. Yes. So all the distribution of subject is done. Okay. So the central and state government both can frame it. Yes. No, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
So they have divided three lists, that is union list, state list and concurrent. Union list at union level, all this list will be done. At state level, all the list will be done and concurrent related to money. Got it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So all the laws which will be passed by state, they have to send to which government? They also have to send to central government. If president will tell us yes, yes, it is done, then only it will be followed by the state. Got it? If you are now with I
Yes,
told you
ma'am.
that if teacher want to uh, do something, they have to ask to their principal. Yes, no.
Yes,
Yes.
Yeah.
ma'am.
So this way the federal state will be divided. All the work will be divided by different administrative work. Got it, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we will. I have explained
Ma'am, can
easily,
I?
so I have explained
ma'am.
easily,
Can
so
I?
there will not be problem. Yes, no, beta?
Owen Fatima.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Tulia Atika.
India is a federal state. There is a distribution of subjects on which the central or the state government can frame laws. There are three such lists: union list, state list, and the con- concurrent list. Laws framed by the central government are applicable to the entire nation.
Okay, got it. What is federal state?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will explain? Can anyone? Beta.
Ma'am,
Can
please
anyone?
repeat the question.
Can anyone explain me federal state? So, one Fatima, can you explain me beta?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, India is a federal state, and there are distribution of the subjects. There are three subjects. I mean, three union list. One
Concurrent
one
list.
union list, second state list, and third concurrent list. So laws formed by the central government, and
Got it? Clear all the
yes, ma'am.
features, salient features, all the goals clear. First, we have studied democratic, second, secularism, third, republic, last is last is
Federal
Federal.
system.
federal state. Very now, last we will be studying fundamental rights. What we are going to study last?
Fundamental rights.
Fundamental rights.
Now it's one. Wait, wait.
Can I
It's
read?
one type. No, it's one type of. In Constitution, we are having all the rights. One is that is one is that is fundamental rights. So, in fundamental rights, when was our constitution framed? On 26 November 1949, and it was implemented on 26 January 1950. So, all the fundamental rights are given of Indian citizens. So, all the citizens have to equally for peaceful life. All the citizens has to follow the fundamental rights compulsory. So, which are the fundamental rights? That is equality before the law. Equality before the law means all the laws should followed by all the girls, all the people, all the citizens of India have to follow all the laws equally. Freedom of religion, we can follow any of the religion, any of the caste. That freedom of association and peaceful assembly compulsory. There should be uh, peaceful, that is silent. Okay. Freedom of speech and expression, we can speak any of the language, we can express any our feelings. And right to constitution remedies for the protection of civil. If anyone has violated the law, you can go to anywhere and complain it about that. Okay. Clear fundamental rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You will be reading.
Ma'am, can I on Fatima?
Ma'am, can I? Misbah.
Yes, one.
Okay, ma'am.
Start.
Fundamental rights. Fundamental rights of Indian citizens are provided by the Constitution of India that was adopted on the 26th of November in the year 1949, but was put in use on the residents of the land can lead a peaceful life as long as they inhabit the country. The individual fundamental rights of Indian citizens are most of the time similar in all the democratic countries. The individual fundamental rights to Indian citizens include the following: equality before the law, freedom of region, freedom of association and peaceful assembly, freedom of speech and expression, right to constitution remedies for the protection of civil rights.
Okay. Clear all the fundamental rights.
Yes,
Yes,
Again, I will
ma'am.
tell the laws which is passed by any of the one. Equally, all the citizens of India has to follow it. Freedom of religion, you can follow any of the religion and anything. Yes. Next is freedom of association and peaceful assembly. There should be peaceful, means there should be silent. No one should fight for that. Yes. Then you can speak any of the language, any of the speech, no bad words. Okay. And expression, you can follow, show any of the expression. And last is right to constitution. If anyone is violate, then they can go to the court and punish it. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So over here we complete our chapter. Any doubts related to this chapter?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
All the best, beta. No one. I'm scrolling the screen. If you are having any of the doubts in the topics, you can ask it. If you are not present and you want to ask it. Doubts? See, I'm scrolling. Any doubts, beta?
No, ma'am.
Should I move?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Doubts in this? Sorry.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is meant by secularism?
Yes. Secularism, I have explained you salient features. Our India is secular state. So we are following any of the religion, any of the caste, anything. Yes. So it means secularism.
Thank you, ma'am.
Other doubts over here? Over here, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No doubts. 100% no doubts. Okay.
No,
Now
ma'am.
silent pictures. With a doubt any in democratic rule.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now in secularism. Any doubts, beta?
Ma'am, what is meant by discriminated?
Means no one can. Means if you are black or white, no one can discriminate it. Got it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Now over here.
No, ma'am.
No doubts, beta.
No, ma'am. No doubt.
Now in this chart, everything is clear. These organs you will be studying in 9th standard in detail. 10th chapter you are having.
No doubt, ma'am.
Clear everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. The next is federal state. Or in state government, any doubt?
No, ma'am,
No.
no doubt.
Wait a second, beta. Now these organs, any doubt?
No,
This
ma'am.
para and this federal state,
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
no doubt. Yes. And last is fundamental rights.
No, ma'am.
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubt. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Everything clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow we will be discussing the Excel sheet. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, then after, we will be revising first chapter. Which chapter we will be revising?
First chapter.
First chapter.
Got it? Okay.